Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C5 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because nothing was coming out through the spouts, and that was because the brew unit was missing one very crucial piece. Well, not really missing, but it was basically one of these little part that you see right here. Um, yep, this little part that you see right here broke off, and this is this one holds basically the liquid that comes out of the brew unit. So water shoots through this little part and it shoots out through here and into the spouts. So as this one was broken, it was just making a huge mess inside the machine, and it was no longer pushing water to the spouts at all. Once we open up the machine and check inside the brew unit, I can show it to you right here as we do not have the cover. We found a lot of coffee buildup, especially inside the brew unit. We disassembled the entire brew unit, service it, relubricated, replaced the gaskets from this part from the coffee chamber over here, as well as from the piston that goes up and down. We replaced the gaskets of them. We replaced the gaskets of the drain valve as well. So we really serviced it and made sure everything was moving and working the way it's supposed to. We also had to replace a worn out piece on the brew unit itself. Let me see if I can get it. Here it is. This is the piece that we had to replace. And as you can see, this is the reason we replaced it. This is broken from here. We were able to use one of our own and put it in there. We tested it out, make sure everything's working fine the way it's supposed to. And yeah, that's one of the pieces we had to replace on the machine, and as well as the gasket, service it, and make sure everything is running and working smoothly and the way it's supposed to. So after replacing that, we also did a tune-up on the machine. I mean, we descaled the machine, cleaned up the spouts, cleaned up a couple of parts of the machine as well, and descale it. The descaling process took really a long time, but we were able to descale this machine, service it, and make it ready to brew. So let's test it out. Starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna just hit this button over here and do a cappuccino. We do not have the hose or any milk or anything at all, so we're just gonna see a bunch of steam coming out straight into the cup. After that, we're gonna be using, we're gonna do an espresso shot, and then we can put some water. As you can see, that steam coming out of the machine is really good. That's the way it's supposed to look like without the hose. Really strong, excellent pressure, working really great. Gonna manually stop it because we do not have any liquid or anything like that. And as I say before, it's a really good steam coming out of the machine. And the cappuccino should be brewing into this spout, and it should be coming out through here. Takes a little bit for the pre-infusion to heat, and once the pre-infusion is done, you're gonna see a bunch of coffee, as you see right here, coming out through the cappuccino spout. You can see an excellent color forming at the bottom of the cup. Really working great. Excellent color. We also had to replace the cover of the machine, as the other one had this little tab right here glued down, and it was broken. It was no longer activating a micro switch that is right here. If you do not have the hopper cover, it will not let you do any coffee. It will not let you grind any coffee or anything. The machine will ask for it, and we replaced that, so now it's, as you can see, it's just grinding the way it's supposed to. Let's do an espresso shot. Then after that, we're gonna finish by using the hot water. As I say, pre-infusion there. And now the coffee coming out through the spouts. Excellent color. Great quantity. Working excellent. Now forgive me if I get this wrong. I don't remember which one of these is hot water. Okay, this one is milk. And this should be, hopefully, hot water. There you go. I was confusing between this one and the other one. And as you can see, hot water working really great. excellent temperature. Definitely burning my finger there. Really great flow, working perfectly. So there you have it, Jura Impresa C5 working once again, brewing through the spots, no leaking anywhere, and clean up. So thank you so much for repairing me Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.